Are you ready for serious power in your next gaming rig? Meet the suevery gaming PC featuring the 14th Gen Intel Core i7-14700KF. That's 20 cores and 28 threads, turbo boosted up to 5.6 GHz. This beast is built for gamers, streamers, and creators who don't settle for average. Inside, you'll find a blazing 32GB of DDR5 RAM, plus a 1TB NVMe SSD, so everything loads in seconds. Say goodbye to lag and slow startups. And the graphics? You're running on an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 gigs of VRAM, perfect for high FPS and AAA titles, buttery smooth gameplay, and next-level ray tracing. Wrapped in a clean white case with vibrant RGB lighting and built-in Wi-Fi, this PC is ready to plug, play, and honestly dominate. No building, no hassle, just pure performance. Click the link in the description to grab yours today, and power up your game.